Sorry about that. Happens occasionally. What was happening is I've been syncing my video files I've been uploading, and it actually flooded my MacBook Pro's laptop keyboard, or not my keyboard, but my hard drive. So what ended up happening was the system just basically started shutting devices down, and that's why we weren't able to see what I wanted to be able to demonstrate. Now we should be able to do it. I cleared up some memory, stopped the synchronization for my videos, and what we'll see here is this idea of being able to do these trace routes. So if I trace route, and I trace route to 2222022, it's going to go up through R2. That's what we said. Now if I go ahead and hit 1, what's going to happen is notice that we're going through R3 at this point. See, it's still doing the same thing. Take a look at the show IP route. Oh no, I'm load sharing. Duh. So let's see what we got going on here. Show IP route, and I want to look specifically at 22.22. Let me guess, it's going to do it again. .0.22. Okay, so when I look at this, notice I'm going to be load sharing. So let's see. Notice this is for a /24 prefix. So the problem is that we have a show run interface S21 or S21 versus 0. So I'm not leaking any of the less specific. So let's go ahead and modify this one. So config T, access list 1, permit 2222. And what I want to permit here is I'm going to start counting from 1, 0, and I'll say 00254.255. Do show run section route dash map. So here's the one. Let's take a look at my access list now. Show access list 1. I have 8 matches. So now let's take a look and see what's going on R1. Show IP interface brief. I wasn't leaking any prefix, or I was leaking every prefix was the problem. Show IP route. Scroll down here to my different values, and here's what we see. Notice 0 is reachable through 0, 0. I'll move my head out of the way. So 0.0 is reachable through Fast Ethernet 0, 0. 1, 0 is reachable through 0, 1. So we're learning our prefixes from different sources, and we're placing the longest matches in our routing table. So let's look at this. So let's do a trace route to 22.22.022. Notice now we're going up through R2. That's even. Let's try 1, 22. We're going through R3. So let's bounce 2, should go through R2. Three should go through R3. So as we can see, what I've done is I've selectively picked which prefixes I'm going to advertise using this idea of the leak map, because what's happening is the leak map is leaking out these /24s, the longer mask, versus my idea of my default mask that I'm running, or not default mask, my actual default route 0.0.0.0/0. And the more specific is getting placed inside the routing table. Show IP route, and let's look at 22.22.0.0. 255.248.0. It's not in my routing table, but I do have show IP route. My static default route and my gateway of last resort is set. So when we look at this, what's happening is that the system is basically just placing the /24s in the routing table because the /24s have the longest match. So with that wrapped up, that brings this portion